Now, hi guys. Well, it's that time of year again where it's mid-60s. Turn this down a minute. Mid-60s, gonna be in the low 70s today, and we're itching to mow grass, or not me, because honestly I could care less right now about mowing grass. Just doing a little yard cleanup and stuff like that. We got some more stuff to do, but clean the chicken house out the rest of the way and get this rest of this crap here picked up from the storm Sunday. This is 17th April. Here we go. So I'm just cleaning all this crap up here. Darn branches and that fell, but we'll see. Now, I'll just tell you straight up front that I'm not one of these people that'll sit here and pick out every little. The fan kicked on. Well, I'm not one of these people that sit here and pick out every little twig and that up out of the grass. Just so that I don't dull my knives or the blades on the mower. Well, they're gonna get dulled anyhow, and it's a waste of time, you know, picking every little twig like this here up out of the yard. It's just, you never be able to get it all. So I just get the majority of it and say that's it. So we're all loaded and off to the dump site we go. So up it goes. So just this 835 is just awesome. Can't say nothing bad about it, and I'm not gonna. A lot of things I like about the machine so far, but I'm not gonna. I'll do a video later on that. Kind of see the bed going down. Now let's go clean out that chicken house. I don't hear nothing hardly except for the electric fencer snapping away, showing us that we are making volts or electric right there. I don't hear nothing. Hi, Mr. Boole. I still don't hear nothing. Uh-oh. This isn't good. Yes, Mr. Boole. This isn't good. I know this isn't good. Uh-oh. Well, got some repairs to do in here. Oh crap, what killed the birds? Uh-oh. I don't know. I don't know what got a hold of the birds. Don't know, but I do know one thing. We got some repair work to do in here. Gotta finish cleaning this out all the way. Fix that roost. Ooh, I still got eggs in here I never got yet. Gosh darn it. Well, we'll get to work. So we're getting it broke up here. Thank God for YouTube Music. Or I can look up music on my phone via YouTube. Sweet. Oh, just so you guys know, I'm not monetizing these videos, so I can have music playing or whatever. I really don't care about monetizing my videos or getting emails from YouTube or whatever goes on. I lost my aluminum shovel that I had. Uh-oh. This isn't good. There it is. Oops. Now I can get to work. Would sure make things easier if the shovel had teeth on it like a wheel loader bucket, but I guess that's why they make pitchforks and a scraper. Oh shit. Okay, so my plan backfired. I was just gonna scrape this floor and then clean it up in the wheelbarrow real quick, but as soon as I opened that door, got my first load out, started scraping again, Bully wanted out. He was working that gate down there pretty hard. I'm like, oh crap. So I don't know where I'm gonna dump this crap at. Got this all done. We'll just work on that back there and under the roost. Getting there, getting better. All right, so I guess now we'll go dump that in the bucket on the skid loader, then go dump the skid loader, put it away. I'm not going to straw this because I have to fix that roost and do some other stuff like that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.